Comment, share, like, subscribe. Comment, share, like, subscribe. Comment, share, like, subscribe. It's the Shelly Shell vibe.
Hello, fellow DIYers. I'm Shelly Shell, and welcome to my channel where the motto is, why pay someone else to do it when you can do it yourself? Today I will be making this silver, gold, and black backdrop for my mom's 65th birthday. The supplies you will need are silver and gold stars, balloons, balloon inflator, backdrop stand, black ribbon, curtains, and birthday banner. First, take your curtains and place them on the rod from your backdrop stand. This is very similar to hanging curtains on your windows at home.
It's your boy Versatile, one on the track for another one, man. Let's get it. Hey, look. Rising from the ashes, all my lyrics show my passion. Never heard of cutting, cause I'm always about the action. Rappers sleeping on me like it was to a mattress. It's all fun and games until my music get the blasting. I'm killing these, this what I'm doing illegal. I'm just an eagle surrounded by seagulls. Chip on your shoulder, you salty like Pringles. Talk to your girl, cause I'm not trying to mingle. Breaking the chains on this industry. Why you saying my name, just remember me? Cause when I start, you cannot finish me. I'ma be at the top of my energy. I'm raising the bar, you say it raised it, but I'm raising it far. In the sky, I'm a star. You like the golf, but you ain't never on par. Pulling strings of guitar, the music brutal, now I'm leaving a scar. And I think it was hard, these other rappers never needed to spar.
Second, put the rod back on the backdrop stand. My stand is 10 feet tall and 10 feet wide, so I used 8 curtains. Now, you may not need that many. The amount you use depends on the size of your backdrop stand. The smaller it is, the less curtains you will need. Third, hang your birthday banner. I was very surprised by how difficult it was to find a 65th birthday banner. If you are like me and you don't want to get a custom banner made, I have the perfect 2-second solution for you.
Splash for the haters that was always really doubting me. This year all the record labels gon' be scouting me. Got into a science like the music came from alchemy. I'm just at the top, I watch these rappers.
I picked this birthday banner up from my local party city. It was perfect in every way except my mom was not turning 60. I loved it because it was silver, gold, and black, which was the color scheme for the party. So I cut the 60 and replaced it with this silver star.
From the balcony, whole time all these rappers thinking that they threats. Never been afraid of any artist that I met. You never been to war, so how you call yourself a vet? I don't have to buy it, I'ma earn all my respect.
I placed a gold star on the left and a gold star on the right to cover up the backdrop pole.
Yup. Respect. I don't have to buy it, I'ma earn all my respect. Yup. Respect. I don't have to buy it, I'ma earn all my respect. Legend in the making. Throwing this for the taking. Money I be making, all this cake and I ain't baking. Just know that I'm patient, I don't need to race it. If they was a problem.
Here I continue to place the silver and gold stars on the curtains until I get the look that I desire.
You should know that I'ma face them. Groundbreaking, captivating, innovating music. Bored with the gift, I'll be crazy just not to use it. Thought into my lyrics cause I don't wanna abuse it. You think you drive me crazy, really all I'm doing is cruising. Your music dead like you spitting from the underground. Pockets getting fat, I'm packing on a couple pounds. These rappers throwing shots but I let off a couple rounds. Ain't no talking, they be silent when I come around. At the circus, I'm surrounded by these rapping clowns. Copycats, they got their lyrics from the lost and found. King in the game and you cannot remove my crown. We can battle anytime you know you're going down. Whole time all these rappers thinking that they threats. Never been
I got this balloon inflator from Walmart. It was marked down to $8, regularly priced $17.99. And so far, so good. I cut 2 pieces of black ribbon, 12 inches long, to pull through the number 5 and number 6 balloon. Then I tied them to the birthday banner.
Greater any artist that I met. You never been to war, so how you call yourself a vet? I don't have to buy it, I'ma earn all my respect. Yeah. Respect. I don't have to buy it, I'ma earn all my respect. Yeah. Respect. You never been to war.
As cute as this backdrop is, I decided to take it up a notch by adding a few more items. Every additional item came from the Dollar Tree, with the exception of the empty boxes. They were free. I simply covered them with gift wrap. I placed these silver beads in the glass along with these Christmas ornaments.
So how you call yourself a vet? Yeah. It's your boy Versatile on the track for another win. All I see is green lights, I can never be stopped. All I do is crush you, but I can never be popped. I just like to keep it.
Next, you will need scissors, a ruler, and tape to create the letters to spell out mom. Cut 6 12-inch strips of tape and 6 6-inch strips of tape.
Rolling like the hands on the clock, and I'm all about my static, so prepared to be shocked. All about my W's, I be winning the game. All you rappers at the start and I just finished the lane. You called me a stove at the way I'm spitting the flames. All I do is
take 2 of the 12-inch strips of tape and 2 of the 6-inch strips of tape. Stick them together to form the letter M. Repeat this process for an additional letter M and the letter O. Here I am laying down this beautiful white shag rug that I got from Ross for about $29. Finally, I put the gift boxes, pillows, and other items in their place. And voila!
big bread cause I be gripping the grain. I'ma need a tat stick if I'm hitting the stain. Got the game on lock, competition in chains. Rappers always say my name but never say it in vain. You gon' need an analgesic when I'm bringing the pain. Calibration of the illest rapper. I got all my brothers' backs, call me the chiropractor. They don't live the way they rapping, everybody actors. All about my numbers, I'm the greatest common factor. Yeah. My rhymes are first place on my worst day. Had to pause the people to prepare them for my wordplay. I get more green than the globe on Earth Day. I make cake, living every day like a birth.
If you would like to see a tutorial on the dessert table or this Afrocentric woman cake, don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe.
All about the calibration. Now I'm really